This is what we call the gear loft. So this is kind of a multi-sport hauler, so to speak, right? So we've gotten a lot of people that says, hey, I prefer to sleep in a rooftop tent because I've got all these kind of crazy gear I want to carry with me on my trip. Can you take out all your shelves? I just want to use your trailer as a storage unit, right? So this kind of fills that request we've gotten from customers.
Gotcha.
So we call it the gear loft because really it's meant to be two universal platforms that we're kind of, because this is new for us, we're kind of willing to try almost anything. So whether it's motorcycles or e-bikes are really popular right now. We've had requests for, four-wheelers or, like side-by-sides and all that stuff. So what this basically is two 4 feet by 6 foot platforms that we're willing to mount almost any mount to, as long as we kind of, run it through our engineering and we say it's safe. And we just charge $75 for mounting that. So you can provide your own mounts to us. Like, let's say you already have kayak mounts that you just want to take off your roof and put on the trailer. We'll move them over for you. We just charge that flat fee. Or if you say, hey, I want to try this mount, our sourcing team and procurement team can help, source those directly.
Perfect.
But we have the lower platform here, and then we have the upper platform, and we have the ability to raise and lower these. There's about 3 different positions, and we have the linear actuator in the middle to help raise and
I was just going to ask you, like, I saw the pins, but I was trying to figure out how the action would happen.
Yeah, so we just have a simple Goal Zero here. It runs off a 12 volt. It's a remote controlled linear actuator.
Okay, right here.
And this will just raise it up to those different positions.
Gotcha.
And then you can pin it to make it secure.
That's perfect.
We have a rooftop tent on this unit, but you don't have to. Again, this is meant to be universal. You could put a platform rack up here to store, extra gear. Car carriers can go up here. You could do kayaks and e-bikes or vice versa would probably be easier based on the weight, right?
Yeah, right.
But, again, anything that customers would want to do, this is kind of built for. It's that
very,
general
very
purpose.
open platform, multi-use, kind of whatever you could think of or whatever you'd want to use it for. Very nice. You got to appreciate simplicity.
Yeah.
Yeah,
and it's got 4 stabilizers. The stabilizers will actually extend a little bit so that if you do put a rooftop tent on it, you're not going to be rocking back and forth as much. And then another unique thing about this is we decided to make the tongue extendable. So if you are doing, longer canoes, like a 40-footer or whatever, you can actually mount that securely to the front of the tongue there.
Very cool.
But then if you're putting bikes on it the next weekend, you can just
This is super modular, man. This is very impressive.
Yeah, it's really meant to kind of be one of those all-purpose, hey, what does your imagination or how do you want to use this thing? Let us know and we'll help you build it, right?
Very cool.
We've had some people that have put showers on the side. So they have, the basic necessities, right? They've got their sporting gear, they've got a tent, they've got a, portable shower mounted. They keep the cooler in the car for all their food, and they're pretty much set, right?
Yeah.
The potential of this model, we don't know yet, right? We thought it was a cool idea. We've had some customers say, yep, absolutely, this is right, kind of what I was thinking about. So sky's the limit, really.
Right.
We'll see what it turns into.
Yeah, that's exciting.
Very exciting.
Oh, new products are always exciting, and to see how the customers are going to use them.
Yeah.